Thank you everyone. Magandang araw sa lahat. I'm Wix. I'm a toy designer, artist, and storyteller. And yes, parang panaginip pa rin minsan. That's what started as sketches on my mind and in my notebook are now being collected all over the world. And then si Texas 3. Pero hindi po ito instant. I started small, I started global. Diyan sa bedroom, sa mga blank walls and sa blank canvases. I started with one goal, to create something proudly Filipino na kaya ko ipagsabayan sa global scene. That's why I made my character named Tech63. 63 is the country code of our country, and tech is technique. My designs, my characters, like Tech63, are inspired by everything I love since I was a kid. Japanese mecha, hip-hop culture, and most of all, my Filipino roots and identity. That's why you see elements of barong, the Philippine flag colors, jeepneys, and Pinoy other elements in my art. Kasi gusto ko, pag nakita yung abroad, masasabi nila, wow, this is Filipino, and this is world class. Kaya I'm proud to be part of this campaign because it reminds us that excellence comes in many forms. Athletes, artists, creatives, and innovators, we all carry the flag in our own way. And tulad ni Jollibee, mula sa simpleng simula, ngayon global na. Pero never nawala yung puso, Filipino pa rin ang lasa. So to all the young creatives out there, don't be afraid to dream big. Use your voice, use your style, and use your roots. Kahit hindi pa mainstream, kahit hindi pa tanggap ng lahat, just like our toys, because authenticity is a superpower. And your culture is your edge. Let's keep creating, keep inspiring, and let's show the world what Filipino creativity looks like. Tayo ang bida talento na makakagawa ng likhang angat sa iba. Maraming salamat po.